is a hairdryer, and it can be your hair's best friend, but it could also potentially be an enemy if you don't know how to use it properly. Today I thought we'd go over a few quick, simple tips that I will give you in order to help you understand how to use this bad boy a little better. The first thing you need to understand is that a hairdryer has different settings. You've got heat settings, you also have speed settings. For me, I always go medium heat, medium speed. The hotter your hairdryer is, the higher the likelihood of you actually burning your scalp or damaging your hair. In terms of the speed, it really just depends on how fast you want that dryer to actually do its job. For me, medium is perfect. The second tip is all about this little fancy nozzle that rotates. Now, you can remove it. Most hair dryers have the option, but what I would recommend and what I do is actually leave it on because you can target and direct the hair. And what I do personally, I will blow dry my hair in the opposite direction when I want to get a big, huge, massive amount of volume. Speaking of volume, if you want to increase the volume that you're going to get out of blow drying your hair, I would lean over, all right? Lean over when you're drying your hair. When you dry your hair upside down, guys, your hair wants to stand up a little bit more. If you want to lock your hair into place at the end of a drying session, set that bad boy on cool and give your hair a little cooling blast to lock it into place.